All of our families love this one. Yeah. This one is black. And this one's black too. Good night and good luck.
Your grandfather wanted you to have this photograph for your collection.
Who is Augustine? Grandma?
Jonathan is traveling halfway around the world.
You my translator?
Forgive my speaking of English, Jonathan, as I'm not so premium with it. To search for the woman who saved his grandfather in World War II.
It's my grandfather, Safin.
And this is Augustina?
This is our driver.
Please, do not be distressed. This is only driver seeing eye, bitch.
Wait, he's blind?
Only he thinks this. This fall.
Father informs me you are writing a book about this trip.
I'm not a writer. More of a collector.
And what do you collect?
Things. Family things.
In a world far from ordinary.
It's nice.
Make sure to secure the door when I'm gone. There are many dangerous people who want to take things from Americans and also kidnap them. Good night.
In a place far from home.
I'm a vegetarian.
You're a what?
I don't eat meat.
Pork?
No.
Chickens?
No.
And what about the sausage?
No meat.
What is wrong with you? One man's quest for the truth. Why do you do this?
Sometimes I'm afraid I'll forget.
Is about to unlock a secret.
This is not so unusual.
What?
Not knowing.
That will change all of their lives. In a land forsaken by hope. In a culture searching for its place. In 2 extraordinary days, 2 lifelong friends will struggle with an impossible choice.
beneath an orange sky.
Warner Independent Pictures takes you to the streets of Palestine,
With my brother standing by.
where one moment can change the world.
Brother, you know it is, you know it is. Such a long road we've been walking on. Sometimes my mind is too strong.
I want to go back.
Carry on.
Paradise now.
Buy the class fish streaming restriction filmways.com.